They're not having a lot of success out on the edge against the corners, but you can maybe try to get something upfield.
Akers breaks free. Cam Akers in the clear. Foot race. And they finally spin him down at the 5. The electric play the Noles needed.
Big play away from being within a touchdown. The corner doesn't make the play, trying to hold the edge. Farley, and then it's a foot race.
Oh, boy. And after this run down to the 5-yard line.
I think some of it might be attributed to some of the penalties.
2nd and 14 with Akers. Slips down inside the 25-yard line.
Like, take a look at the possessions. They started slowly, kind of got their feet under them a little bit. That missed field goal looming large right now.
They want to move now with Akers. When he gets close to the 40-yard line. 7 on 3rd down of the game for Florida State. We call this 3rd and 5. Akers lunging for the marker. Dave, this is going to be awfully close.
Tougher to be accurate.
Francois was 22 of 35, 233 yards against Virginia Tech on Monday, but 3 interceptions. This one is complete to Akers, trying to break a couple of tackles. Some tough, determined running. Negates a 32-yard pickup. 2nd and 17. Francois complete at the 45. Cam Akers stumbles down just beyond the 45. DeAndre Francois, a couple of TD passes and a rushing TD as well. Akers catches it, runs with it past the 40 and up to the 45. 6 yards.
Just bring Cam Akers out of the backfield, runs a little angle route inside, fakes to the flat, angles back over the middle.
It is Akers. Puts the head down, moves his way to the 5 for the Noles. 2nd and goal, but the ball now beyond the 10 of the 12. Akers turns it down the middle to the 5. He got 7 yards.
So Molly is down there. We'll hopefully get a report from her shortly. 1st down and 10 for Florida State. On the counter, it's Akers busting through for the 1st down out near the 45. Guthrie finally making the tackle.
This counter over the left side. Vision by Cam Akers. Stops on a dime.
Hands it off to Cam Akers, and he moves out over the 23. Taggart said he was on the plane right after he first took the Florida State job. 1st and 10 from the 20. Out of the backfield, Akers looking for a block and brought down at the 23-yard line.
He's got an outstanding arm and great receivers.
3rd and 1. Akers has the 1st down. Made the safety miss. Still on his feet, and Akers brought down to the 38-yard line. Somebody lost a hat out there. Oh. Hit him with a 2-piece right here.
Well, Cam Akers, he's got the ability to make you miss.
He's a dominant player, the best defender on that side of the football. That's somebody that Florida State has to account for.
Here's Akers. He tumbles forward and should have the 1st down at the 42 of NIU. Once again, the cornerback Embry came up to make the tackle. FSU fans are saying to themselves, we've been waiting to see that kind of discrepancy. There goes Akers, and he's going to stroll into the end zone. Touchdown. A 7-yard TD run for Cam Akers. Of the D-line. And off Cam Akers. He stumbles forward across the 25 up to the 26, tripped up by Antonio Jones-Davis.
And Akers gets it into Louisville territory. And a gain of 7. At any route, the call stands, and the forced fumble by Jackson, the recovery by Burns.
Francois, another 3rd down conversion.
Or 2 on each roster. Cam Akers spins across the 35 out to about the 37-yard line, a gain of 8. Cam Akers submarines up the middle and has a 1st down. Highlighted him earlier. You're just winning. You're moving people up.
Akers finds a cutback lane. Gets wrestled down across the 25 at the 26-yard line after an 8-yard gain.
Francois going to that side of the field again on 2nd down and 10. Barely cleared the defender. Akers in the backfield. It'll be Cam Akers into the end zone. Touchdown, Seminoles.
Francois going to hand it off, or he's going to keep it himself. Good read by Francois. That Kemp kind of hesitated a little bit.
They had a scoring drive last time out. Here's Francois handing off to Cam Akers. And burst ahead to the 25-yard line. On 3rd down and 2, it's Cam Akers. 1st down, Seminoles. Back out there here to start their second half for the Seminoles. And Cam Akers with a good run on 1st down, stepping out of a tackle at the 34. On his feet across the 40 play on 1st down for Akers.
Know where your unblocked defender is. He knows that Hassan Bassey's the one guy, sets him up outside.
Carry for Akers, who scored a touchdown in that 1st half. They'll feed it to him again. Look out. Cam Akers. Touchdown. 58 yards to the house.
It's that little move on that 1st down play. Gets Bassey to hang out a little bit outside. He's an unblocked defender. Cam Akers said, that first play, I gave you a little love on the outside. Keep you out there. I'm going to hit the hole this time up the middle. Leave that unblocked defender by himself. Cam Akers, when he trusts his 27 and understands the block. You don't want to see your starting quarterback continuously down on the ground. He's too good of a player, too important to you guys.
Yeah, Francois will dump it off short here to Akers. It's back to the line of scrimmage. We'll pick up a few. Motion for receivers to the near side. It's a screen. Akers will take it up the field. He gets out to the 40-yard line, and that's how the 3rd quarter will come to an end.
Shot to the sideline, right at the 1st down marker, and that is past the sticks. Akers makes the reception, picks up 7.
People to listen to you.
Speaking of special, there's Cam Akers. A much-needed push and run for Florida State. Congestion up front. Blackman. Good throw to Akers out of the backfield. Cam Akers picks up good yardage to set up 3rd and 5. That's the longest catch of McKitty's career. Good job by Akers to hold on to that one. Takes it inside the 40. 55 seconds remain. 2nd and goal after the spike. Blitz from the Wolfpack. Blackman to Akers for the touchdown. Off the back foot, he was able to find a man. And there's also a penalty marker where Blackman was hit back near the 25.
Watch him hang in there. You'll see Pratt coming on a full dead sprint, and he finds Akers right over the middle. Yeah, he had 2 full steps before he got to Blackman. Pretty focused on everything else, right? I want to do something else, too.
Yeah. Wow. Out of the backfield again, it's Akers, and he's hit shy of the line to gain by Isaiah Moore.
Akers, touchdown, and Florida State has the lead.
Akers finally finding the end zone, shaking off tackle. I'll be driving home on I-75 South. I'll be listening to that game back as I go back to Tampa.
Breaking free and into the secondary is Cam Akers, and breaking tackles. Run out around the 20.
Finally gets some blocking up front. He's like, oh my gosh, I'm in the 2nd level, the 3rd level, and then he goes to work. Look at the balance there. Doesn't even have to put his hand on the ground. Getting a huge run. Huge play for Florida State.
55 yards to put him over 100 now for the night. And here he is receiving the pass down to the 15.
Agitated on the sideline when he watches some of those plays his defense gives up.
Here's Akers on 1st down, up to about the 23.
Nice throw. Nice design by the Seminoles offense.
They fake the pitch to Matthews. Francois gets drilled. His pass caught. One-handed touchdown. Cam Akers. What a grab.
By the sophomore running back. Can you say Sports Center? Top 10.
First down on the Florida State 25. Let's see how the Seminoles respond offensively. Cam Akers, who had a tremendous catch, a one-handed grab in the first half. Here running the ball for about 4 or 5 yards. Here's Cam Akers up to the 25. Nice run on first down.